It's like it was raining. I'm not sure if it's still raining anymore. It was really cloudy outside. I have to be quiet because Sammy's over here sleeping. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs for a little bit. Yeah, so I think it's around 2 o'clock and it's almost 3 actually, and Sammy's still sleeping because he went to sleep at 8 because he went to stay up all night, but we couldn't. So yeah, where's the remotes? Oh, they're right here. The controllers. I'm gonna play some Naruto before I leave to back to my place today. So yeah. Should I hide his glasses? Let me just put them in the pantry. Let's do that. Put them right up top there. That's because I feel like being a dick, you know? This is the third vlog. The second vlog is not really a vlog though, so I'm sorry about that. But it was fun for me. We did it in the same day from the first vlog, and this is the day after, so yeah. I have more content to put out every other day then. And so that's good. The TV isn't on, I'm retarded. I'm honestly retarded. Bitch. TV, power on. There we go. So yeah, I am playing Naruto. Hopefully I start to get less awkward when it comes to vlogs because I don't know, I'm just an awkward person in general, so it's like I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to. Alright, so I'm just gonna. So I'm trying to do something. Sammy did yesterday where it moves forehead. There you go. I got it. See, we have to get 30,000 steps in. So I just put the remote down in a certain position and just walking for me. So I'm just gonna be watching this for a little bit. I'm not gonna put you guys through that torture, so I'll call you back and I'll show you the progress. I said call you back. Yeah, I'll be right back. Goodbye. I don't think you brought your glasses upstairs, Sammy. I don't think you brought your glasses upstairs. I don't know, Sammy. Sammy, can you get me something from the pantry?
There's gushers in there.
What?
There's gushers in there.
No, there's no gushes in there. The box is gone.
The boxes are gone. I don't know if I've seen this. I know I'm checking out.
I'm back home, guys. Sammy's no longer here. I'm no longer over there. So yeah, I'm back home in my messy room. Yeah, I might do a room tour if y'all want that, but I'm pretty sure everyone's watching my vlogs. All you guys that are watching it have seen my room because you're all my friends. Because I doubt anybody else is watching this shit. I'm sorry, but it's true. Like, I'm sorry to myself. That's why I'm apologizing. Because, so yeah, I'm gonna start watching Netflix or something because I'm just bored. I want to play Naruto, but I don't have anything to play that with. I have an Xbox 360, but yeah, no, I don't. The remote's broken. And I don't think they have the fourth Ninja Storm game on there. Yeah, they have the other ones, but I'm not sure about the fourth one. So yeah, I'll let y'all know what's going on if anything happens. But I'm not gonna be vlogging if nothing really cool happens, anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So Emmy, you're a lazy shit. Do something with your life. Get a hobby, honestly. Like, all you do is sit around, sleep, you lay, and you bite the living shit out of me. Look at this. Let's see if she'll bite my foot. Nah, alright. Yep. She got irritated. Alright, Emmy. See, I'm not gonna agitate her. Usually she just does it out of nowhere. She knows I'm recording her. Freaking, why can't you do that shit on command? Why can't... Emmy! Whoa! Emmy Shmemmy. Good job. Shit, I forgot she had a tail for a second. I don't care about the money, to be honest. I'm not doing YouTube for money. Why am I so retarded? I can't do dance at all. Fire truck. Song. It's just this song. This was on like since yesterday. Like, Hey, hands up, but you're feeling the vibe now. 1 step, 2 steps. Alright, I'm gonna turn to a different song before I get copyright shit. What the fuck happened? Like, it's on, but it's like a black screen. Like, my DS is dirty. I need to clean that shit. Oh my god, what's going on with my freaking... Don't be afraid, never is the way. You can call me monster. This is my shit, bro. I recently got into this shit, but like, I can't help myself. I just unplugged my phone, but fuck it. Fuck it, Chen. Fuck it, D.O. Kai. Where the fuck is Rap Monster? That's the wrong band. Okay, never mind. You see this? K-pop lyrics. Yeah, alright. So, go to K-pop lyrics, and then we see this.
Yeah, it's acceptable. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese. It looks like anime. Yeah. And then this fucking shit. Why the fuck is Austin Alley K-pop? Why? I wanna fucking die. Honestly, like what? There's more of it too. All right, see BTS right there. See, that's the shit I'm looking for. That's the shit. Not fucking Austin and Alley, bro. Yeah, that would make sense. Not this shit, bro. What is your problem, bro? What is your problem? We got that long dick, bro. Bro, why you? See, you're not looking down, and you're looking down, but you like regret it. Like honestly, I look down, I won't regret shit, bro. I am trying to see what the uncensored shit is, bro. Like, she's in a wheelchair. I seen this, but I love it so much. This is so sad. Bro, she's in a wheelchair. Why are you gonna give her? So, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Yeah, I feel like the beginning of this shit was boring. I don't know. I'm more outgoing when I'm by myself for some reason. It's just how I do, you know. What the fuck are you doing, Emmy? Emmy! Bitch! Ho! Slut! Emmy! My hair fucked up. But yeah. I am gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna do some hand motions, you know. Okay, that's gonna end that. How'd you get yourself in that predicament, bro? You're honestly retarded. Cat just knocked all the cat food on the floor, you freaking retard! You better eat all that shit up. It's not funny. What the hell, you? Why aren't you helping? What are you doing with your life? Oh my gosh, you stupid cat. Start feeding you lasagna. Why am I still watching this shit? I'm so mad right now. You don't understand. All lit and shit. Like, I was being really lit. Now I gotta get her ass some new cat food too, because now I realize we were running out. But still, what is your problem? You're still sitting. Oh my god. I'm just gathering all the fucking. I'm not gonna gather the ones over there. I got a shirt and shit right there. I'm not gonna do that shit, bro. Lift lid, but not help me clean up the mess. You fucking. So I'm gonna end it right here. I was gonna end it earlier, but my cat did this shit, and I'm like, all right. Goodbye, guys. I'll see y'all later.